In this video, we describe Scatterpixels, a set of wireless physical pixels that combine to create ad hoc displays with different shapes, sizes, and resolutions for different applications. Like a welcome message at a party, a meeting wayfinding display at a conference, or an impromptu game timer. Each pixel contains an LED, microcontroller, wireless receiver, and battery enclosed in a spherical plastic case. A unique ID is programmed into each pixel, so a phone can communicate with pixels through a Bluetooth base station. To create a Scatterpixel display, a registration method finds the relative location of each pixel and its ID. After placing the pixels, the user aims the phone camera at the scene and presses a button. The phone records a short video while all pixels flash their unique ID. Computer vision methods locate each pixel and decode the flashes. The result is a spatial map of the relative locations of each pixel ID, enabling pixels to be triggered in the display. Not all displays can fit in a single camera frame, so our method can use multiple captures and stitch them all together. Even sparse, disconnected displays can be accommodated with our registration method. The user moves along the display layout, capturing flashing pixels while the phone position is tracked. And as before, computer vision methods locate pixels and decode IDs to create a spatial map. Once registered, we developed different ways to render content on a given display. For example, given an image, an algorithm finds the optimal way to fit it onto the display. The user can also adjust the image in the display by resizing and dragging it on the phone. Multiple images can be mapped to a display and triggered to form a dynamic sign, or even to create animations. Images can also be drawn directly on the display through the phone. And the input events can be saved and played back as animations. The system can also guide the placement of pixels to optimally render a given set of target images. Once the scale for the display is set, anchor pixels are placed where indicated by red circles. Then, all other pixels are placed using the white circle guides. After spatial registration, the display is ready to render the images. These methods enable a range of applications using Scatterpixels. They can be used as single-bit indicators to randomly pick or group people during a party or class. They can be arranged in one-dimensional lines to guide people to a destination, like a meeting. Animations can indicate direction and when the meeting is starting. They can be dumped on the floor to display a welcome note for a party. Or in multiple clusters to guide people to queues by indicating which are open, closed, processing, or suggesting alternates. They can also stick to a metal wall in an optimal arrangement to form a timer or scoreboard. And they could even be stuck to ceiling fixtures to create ambient effects. For additional details, see the accompanying paper.